we are preparing to leave for a place which we have booked specially for the 5-year anniversary. We are super excited. We are a little nervous because there are a lot of new things that we did to book this place. So now a little nervous, right? But it's 10 a.m. We woke up really late. We took our time today. Till we woke up at 9. We had some
8 o'clock we woke up, sharp. And since then we've been washing clothes, like just managing the house a little bit so that we don't have to
come back to
a dirty house.
Yeah, so this, we still have this while we're going somewhere, whatever number of days, we'll tell in the next video. We're going somewhere and we're also going to have this place. We're going to leave the things that we don't need for the next couple of days, so that we're basically treating this place as a base. So we're gonna come back and we want to find this place clean. So we have a big bag of trash over there. We have cleaned the entire place. Trisha made amazing breakfast. Now we have to finish this off. We have to pack our bags. We have to get ready.
It looks so good, and I already started eating.
How is it?
So
how's the chicken?
Good. The chicken I did not try. You also try.
No, I want you
We're
to
still
try.
cooking the chicken.
Yeah.
You try.
Is it good?
I think so.
And I wanted to know if it's prepared. Like it's a new style, right? So good. And it's definitely ready. I think I'm gonna jump onto that.
And
But yeah, we have to pack, we have to get ready, and we have to get going.
let's do it. So we are almost ready to go.
We are very late. As per the time that we kept, there's no fixed time that we had to go at, but as per us, we had to get out by 12. But it's already 12:40, so we're quite late. I'm still left with makeup. My nail paint took forever to dry. I put nail paint, by the way. This nail paint was new for me earlier. Now it looks like I'm wearing like someone else's borrowed nails. Like weird, very weird. Because I've gotten so tan.
I'm so excited. So excited. I'm so excited. Just the feeling of completing 5 years with someone in this day and age.
We've completed 9 years, baby.
Together, yeah, we've completed 9 years. There's still another month left to that.
Yeah.
Completion of
So don't say 5 years, right? 5
Yeah.
years is just marriage.
5 years, but 5 years of marriage. That's touch wood. Makeup is done. I think this side eyeliner on this side is not put very well, but that's okay because I'm wearing specs today and not lenses, so that's gonna be fine. He's ready too.
It's gonna be better later. Alright, let's call the cab. Let's finish up all the packing and call the cab.
Yes.
This is foundation.
No, compact.
Alright.
Basically, we put this at the last, just like to set it up.
Okay, I'm not
Okay.
gonna remember that.
This thing,
Stick.
I don't have a lot of things.
Aloha Mora. I don't know.
You know, in Nikhil, you're just acting naive, and that's
Eyeliner.
yes.
How am I supposed to know without looking at what is inside?
This
Another? Yeah, I think lashes
it
thing.
literally says,
Eyebrow thing, yeah.
and this one,
Blush.
yes,
You just bought it recently.
yes. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up.
So you want
whatever
me
I
to
did.
do the voiceover? What is the point of all this?
No, I'm just saying that it's not
I'm
because
putting
you
a
were
random thing.
you don't have to say she's putting a random thing. For
Not
once,
she's, I'm gonna be you only. It's gonna be my voice as you.
okay, I am putting
A random
a
black thing in my
mascara.
eye.
You wouldn't say, because all other guys, yes, maybe. Like many other guys, yes, maybe. But my husband knows makeup. My husband knows skincare. He doesn't say.
I know skincare.
Yeah.
I know skincare.
Yeah.
I know the skincare I do.
Yeah. So.
This is not a lot.
And you know, a hyaluronic acid, right?
We don't know, Trisha.
Nikhil, you know. Maybe I don't know.
We both don't know this stuff, Trisha.
Anyway, we are just taking a lot of more time.
And then she's
What are you gonna do? Are you having fun here, or are we going for a vacation? What are you doing? We're not supposed to have fun on vacation. Let's go.
Let's go.
Don't you see tourists running around going crazy? That's what we're gonna do. Let's go.
I think that the crazy has already started. I'm on the clock with that. So everything is now packed. We are super ready now. I'm just checking. I was checking everything. Now I have checked. We just need to take that down, throw that. Trisha has booked the Grab. Our stuff is now packed. And now we are leaving for the place we were supposed to leave. And where we are going, what we are doing, you're gonna find out in the next video.
And it was very hard for me to not tell you guys.
Yeah.
So don't be mad at me. Why would anybody be mad?
Yeah.
Right.
But you'll find out in the next video what it is. And we are super excited. So let's hope everything goes perfectly.
And we had such a good time sharing these preparations with you. So really hope you also enjoyed this sort of a preparation time. And thank you for spending this time with us. Like this video, comment. If you know, if you have any guesses, do comment down below. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Actually, we'll see you like in the next video in like 5 minutes.
But they are gonna see it tomorrow.
Alright. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.